Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning, dear students. This is your geography lecture, and we were doing chapter number 4, agriculture. So far, we have covered the topics the arable fruit and nut farming in Pakistan, then we have agriculture and commercial fishing in Pakistan. Now, we are going to talk about something very important, that is livestock farming in Pakistan. So, livestock farming, as I told you before, that this means uh, raising animals like cows, goats, and sheep for milk, meat, and other products. Pakistan has a lot of animals on its farms, and it's a big part of our country's agriculture. So, in this topic, they're saying that meat and its related byproducts are more expensive than fruit and vegetable. Yes. Why? Because they are more expensive and more labor intensive to produce. It requires hard work, it requires labor to take care of the animals, to keep them in a safe place, to take care of their diseases, and so on. So, livestock or animal farming makes up about 25% of Pakistan's agriculture businesses. So, small scale livestock farming began perhaps 12 to 15,000 years ago when some animals became domesticated. Like, domesticated means they are um, uh, in a way that they are used to humans. So, for example, dogs and cats, which were originally working animals but have become pets in some countries now. In the early days, people trained oxen and later horses, donkeys, and camels to carry loads and drag things on pairs of poles called skids. Okay. After the wheel was invented and installed in carts 5,000 years ago, it brought a new way to transport things. This is pretty simple. There is nothing so technical about it. And we all are very much aware of these concepts. So let's move forward. Then they're saying buffaloes and oxen are still used to pull cart and plows. Plows, I told you before, what does it mean? To prepare the farm for the crops. So power Persian irrigation wheels and to thresh the grain underfoot. Okay, these are all the tasks performed with the help of the animals. They prefer warmth, so are usually found in valleys, whereas cows are tougher and are also reared for meat, beef cattle, milk, and dairy products. Okay, we all know this, that we get meat and milk from the cows and buffaloes. Camels are widely used in Sindh and Balochistan. Across Pakistan, horses and donkeys pull carts, carry packs, and are used for riding. Donkeys are especially tough. They can live on almost any diet and cope with on mountains or rough countryside. Um, this is also very simple, nothing very much difficult in it. So let's go to the topic that is a new topic for us. And actually, the topic is not new, but the term that is used here is ungulates. Now, what is ungulate? This word is used to describe animals with hooves, like cows, goats, and sheep. Hooves in their, like the special design of their feet, right? So sheep and goats can survive on short and hard grass at higher altitudes and in colder climates as compared to many larger ungulates. In Pakistan, sheep are kept for their meat, milk, and wool. We all know that we get very good amount of wool and milk and meat from the sheep. Pakistani farmers raise native breeds and also merinos originally from Spain. So this is a breed that we import from Spain. Sheep were domesticated in West Asia about 11,000 years ago. Okay. Goats are important animals in harsh and relatively infertile areas, such as in Balochistan. They produce tough hair to weave carpet, except for the more valuable soft wools of Angora goats and cashmere from Kashmir goats. So they have special types of wool that they produce. Okay, next is chicken. We all eat chicken meat, like we love eating pizzas and burgers and a lot of dishes. So they are also very easy to feed, and they provide eggs throughout the year. They can be eaten. So these are also very important contributor to the livestock farming. Why livestock farming is very important? Because milk and meat, number one is number one factor, that is many people rely on milk for their daily food. It's full of nutrients, and of course meat is also a very important part of our meals. It provides jobs for people. Many people in Pakistan work in livestock farming. Some take care of the animals, and others help sell milk, meat, and wool, and so on. Skin is also being used for the leather products. And supporting farmers. Animals help farmers earn money, which they use to support their families. Okay, now how is agriculture changing? Agriculture in the past time, like in the past years, farmers mostly used traditional methods. They had simple tools, and they relied on a lot of work manually. But now we have modern tools to use. So farmers use better tools and machines to grow food and take care of their animals. And this actually makes farming faster and easier. New types of food, for example, farmers now feed animals special food that helps them grow faster and produce more milk. Vaccines and medicines are also now available. So, in this way, the modern agriculture is now becoming very advanced. In the past, they were smaller and bonier than today. So, around 1700 year, years, the farming revolution in the UK changed things as inventors improved from machinery, and farmers introduced the idea of selective breeding, choosing which animals produced offspring to ensure larger and better stock. So today, new technology and approaches have also changed now, and fish now can also be farmed in large sea and lakes. So these are the important factors that are very much used now, and as compared to the past, the modern agriculture is now become very much advanced. So I'll give you some questions regarding these topics. They are very easy topics. There is nothing very much technical. There is nothing difficult in this. So I want you to please complete the written tasks that I'm going to give you along with this lecture. Okay. So till then, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.